The physiology of the eye involves how it functions to capture light and convert it into electrical signals which the brain interprets as vision. Here's a breakdown. Anatomy and function of the eye. 1. Outer structures. Cornea, transparent front layer of the eye that refracts, bends light to focus it onto the retina. Sclera, the white, protective outer layer of the eye. Conjunctiva, thin membrane covering the sclera and inside of the eyelids, provides lubrication. 2. Middle structures. Iris, the colored part of the eye that controls the size of the pupil, regulating the amount of light entering the eye. Pupil, the opening in the center of the iris. It dilates, widens, or constricts, narrows in response to light. Lens, a flexible, transparent structure that adjusts its shape via the ciliary muscles to focus light onto the retina, a process called accommodation. Ciliary body produces aqueous humor and controls lens shape. 3. Inner structures. Retina, a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye containing photoreceptor cells. Rods detect dim light and are responsible for black and white vision. Cones detect bright light and color red, green, blue sensitive. Fovea, a small depression in the retina with a high concentration of cones allowing sharp central vision. Optic nerve, transmits electrical signals from the retina to the brain. Macula, a central part of the retina responsible for detailed vision. For supporting structures, aqueous humor, a clear fluid in the anterior chamber of the eye, providing nutrients and maintaining pressure. Vitreous humor, a gel-like substance filling the main eye chamber, maintaining shape and supporting the retina. Physiology of vision. 1. Light entry and refraction. Light enters through the cornea, which bends, refracts the light to focus it. The lens further adjusts the focus by changing its shape accommodation. 2. Image formation. The light is focused onto the retina, creating an inverted image. 3. Phototransduction. Photoreceptor cells, rods, and cones convert light into electrical signals. Rods function in low light, while cones detect color and detail in bright light. For signal transmission, photoreceptor cells communicate with bipolar cells and ganglion cells in the retina. Electrical signals travel via the optic nerve to the brain. 5. Processing in the brain. The optic nerve sends signals to the visual cortex in the occipital lobe of the brain. The brain processes these signals into coherent images, interpreting brightness, color, depth, and movement. Adaptation mechanisms. Pupil reflex. The iris adjusts the pupil size to regulate light entry. Dark and light. Adaptation. Rods and cones adjust sensitivity to different lighting conditions. Let me know if you'd like more details on any part.